Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Mercedes
SLK230.
This air conditioning module. Sometimes I've seen switches where they've gotten corroded. If it's coffee or something like that, they'll go into the switches. They get sticky on the inside. They don't even work. Alright, these are still working. What's not working is the LEDs, and I call them LEDs, but basically the lights, the bulbs underneath this module don't work. So when you're driving along at night, you don't get any readouts. You know, you don't see anything. I'm going to show you how to get behind this panel and change those bulbs. Let's get started, but before you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and a new video every Monday. Thanks. Start by depressing that. I'll give you access to 2 bolts, Phillips, on the left and on the right. Let's take them off. Then once that's done, bend these like that. See those little 2 cutouts? One there, one there. You'll see some bolts. One bolt that has already been removed and the other bolt that's already been removed. Somebody's been in here before me. Then put those bolts back. Then we're going to remove the radio, and the radio has 2 keys that I'm going to use to take the radio out. Once we take the radio out, we'll be able to remove the panel. Let's do it.
You will need radio keys to remove the radio from the dashboard successfully. Description and links below. Once you've removed the radio, you'll see 2 Phillips screws, one on the right and one on the left, holding in the rest of the facade that covers the radio and the control module. Then we need to remove the antenna, fiber optic cable that connects the CD changer in the trunk, and the speakers and power harness that connects the radio, removing the radio entirely from the console of the car. There are 2 Phillips screws that will hold the module in place at the base of the module. In my case, those screws have already been removed by a previous mechanic. So I'll go ahead and just remove the module from the console. Stay tuned for the next video where I show you how to take this module apart, clean it, replace bulbs if necessary, reinstall those parts, including the control module, back into the Mercedes. As far as things go, in this video I'll show you how to reinstall the replacement module.
So what we've got to do is line up these holes. These holes have to line up so that they, when they turn and they go into those prongs right up in here. Okay? Okay, I'm just going to double check to make sure that they're all connected, because I can feel them. I don't know if the one on the left is definitely connected. The one on the right is definitely connected, so they're all connected. Alright, installation is the reverse. Put this all the way back down to neutral, from neutral all the way down to 1. So get that out of the way. Start off by pushing that all the way up, and once that's in place, taking your thumb, press that into place like that. okay? Everything should be lined up before you put any of the screws in. Then take the screws, it's at this point where you would then insert the 2 screws to hold the top bezel in place. So we're gonna get that done. I won't bore you to death with that. And after that, we're gonna put the 2 screws here. We're gonna take off these keys. These keys are kind of locked in place.
Next we'll connect the speaker harness as well as the power harness, the fiber optic cable, and then we'll reinsert the radio into the console of the car. Make sure you have your radio code handy, as you will need it when reinstalling.
Alrighty then, after the installation is all set, headlights are on, engine is running, dim the car, and there we go. We now have lights. Much more user-friendly. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.